Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to register on Pocket Option. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Pocket Option. After that, open the official website and then make sure that you are in the registration section. Here, you can try signing up by entering the required information, or you can just use the platforms present below in order to create an account. After entering the mail and password, click on the Sign Up button. Once signed in, you will be redirected to the website's homepage. You can see that the Pocket Option account has been created successfully. Now, there is also a new offer going on that you can use by clicking on this bonus button at the top. Inside it, you can see all of the perks of gaining this bonus are mentioned at the side, and you also choose the platform you would like to use in order to get this bonus. Now you just need to click on the platform tile, enter the preferred amount, and you will be able to see the bonus you will be getting by depositing that amount. So that's basically how you can register on Pocket Option. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.